Define better. Yeah. Define better. Yeah.
They say he's better. I look him in the eyes, I see a glassy look. He's not really there, it's a life they took. He no longer cries, no longer sings, hardly ever laughs, don't do much of anything. But he's much more quiet, he's not in the hair, also much less alive, but they don't really care. Less in the way is what they really want. They claim they got the cure, but this lies they flaunt. He used to be alive, now he's closer to dead. But they say he's better, he don't fight him for Zed. I tell it like it is, but they don't wanna hear it. Just stuff him full of drugs like they done for years. Speak out against the label and the drug and now. And the ones being played, screaming how about the people they claim this improved to the letter. Just look them in the eyes and say, define better.
Do you mean sedated? Don't you mean jumped down? Do you mean regulated?
Define better.
Do you mean suffocated? Don't you mean dumbed down? Do you mean dominated?
Define
They say
better.
she's better, never speaks her mind no more, never rocks the boat, she keeps her eyes to the floor. A tasket, her mind is in a basket. No strength to make her stand, cause she knows she'll get her ass kicked. But she can pop another pill to make her better still, while distancing the dream she will never fulfill. Time to kill, take a spill. These drugs making death look better to her, maybe she will. Her body's still there, but